In the early 1960s, Penzias and Wilson were using their antenna to study radio signals from space. But what they found was this noise that was persistent all year round, all seasons. It was uniform and they couldn't figure out what it was. They tried everything to get rid of it. They even thought there was pigeon droppings on their antenna, so they went out and cleaned it. But what they actually found out that this noise was actually the cosmic microwave background radiation. And this radiation is one of the biggest evidence the Big Bang theory is true, because the Big Bang is that the universe, once it's in this hot, dense state, exploded. And all that radiation, as the universe expanded, it shifted into wavelengths much longer into the microwave region. And this evidence, this cosmic microwave background radiation, this noise that they found, shows us that there is radiation left over. And it's roughly around a temperature of 2.7 Kelvin. So that's the temperature of our space. Follow me for more physics content like this.